Train on platform 3 terminates here. Please stand away from the platform 8. Not acceptable on the train. Train on platform 3 terminates
to Uxbridge. Back to the Jubilee. One terminating here, and on the other side, everyone's going to Stratford. Tonight, filming the trains at Wembley Park. Before we get into the video, welcome to the vlog.
This one's terminating here, mate.
That's what they said in the Uxbridge. There goes Uxbridge service one up the track. In the distance, you can vaguely see. Continue shortly. Off goes the Stratford service. You can vaguely see on the other side of platform 4. And now it looks like this Jubilee line train's going into the siding depot. Well, at the same time, we've got another Jubilee line service going to Stratford, and also at the same time, we've got a Metropolitan line coming in on platform 2. Turn to it in a moment.
On this side, mate.
Now we've got a Metropolitan line service going to Watford.
Watford.
Well, at the same time again, we've got another Jubilee line service going to
At the same time,
Stanmore. Oh, we got another Metropolitan line on platform 5, which I believe is temporarily closed. We can vaguely see it behind us. Off goes the Metropolitan line service to Watford. Goes. Continues the journey to Watford. Oh, and there goes the Stratford service on platform 3, which you can vaguely see taken off in the background. Well, here even. Oh, now goes the Stanmore service. Jubilee line service to Stanmore. Off it goes. Off it goes. There's the spot. And there's the other Jubilee line train that terminated here earlier in the sidings. Oh, at the same time, we've got another Jubilee line service going to... Oh, this one's going to Stratford as well. Oh, and at the same time, we've got a Metropolitan line service. Probably going to Watford, back to platform 2 again. And it comes up the track, zoom in. And it's on this side this time. And it's going to, it's going to Uxbridge even. Oh, we got another Jubilee line pulling into Stanmore.
Wear a face covering over your nose and mouth at all times.
Back to the Metropolitan line.
Unless you're exempt.
Smoking
It's there
indoors.
to protect us all.
As you can vaguely see, passengers are changing from the Metropolitan line to the Jubilee service. Off goes the Metropolitan line. Continues the journey to Uxbridge. Off it goes. As you can fairly hear, the Jubilee line just closed its doors. And now it's going to continue our journey to Stanmore.
We've got a Jubilee line train coming.
Yeah, as Harry just pointed out, we've got a Jubilee line coming in, going to Stratford. Or at the same time, we've got another one coming in at the same time, going to Stanmore. Crossover. Oh, we got a triple crisscross. There's a Metropolitan line coming in as well. Over to the Metropolitan line, and this one is going to Watford, semi-fast train. Should open these doors on the other side. Continue shortly. Off goes now the Metropolitan line service to Watford. Off it goes. Well, at the same time, the Jubilee line service for Stanmore's just ready to depart. And off this one goes and all. Yeah. Yeah. And then goes to Stratford one at the same time as well.
Crossover.
Yeah.
To the other side.
Crossover, yeah. We're now just going on to platforms 1 and 2.
So we're just about to cross over to platforms 4 and 5.
I think 5 might be closed.
Well, there's 6 platforms here.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
Oh, I saw a sign earlier mentioning something about platform 5. You'll see it in a moment. Oh, it's gone.
That's a Chiltern Railway service.
Yeah. And this is the side I would have gotten off at.
Right, okay.
Same time we've got the Metropolitan line going to Aldgate. platform 3, got another train going to Stanmore. Currently at Wembley Park. Off goes Jubilee line service to Stanmore. Sorry, Stratford even, not Stanmore, my mistake. This side, this train next to us is Stanmore. Continue shortly. Off goes Jubilee line service to Stanmore. We'll go, yeah, and another. Oh, bloody hell. That was big. Turn around. Metropolitan line service going to Uxbridge.
Oh, incoming.
Oh, this is this. Yeah, the sidings going to Stratford. Well, it's going to go to Stratford after it waits to let some passengers on board.
But it's just come out from the siding.
Yeah. Of course, the Metropolitan line service to Uxbridge you can vaguely see on the other side of this train. Oh. Continue shortly. On the other side, we've got another Jubilee line just pulled in for Stanmore, which you can vaguely see on the other side of this train. Let it open its doors. Metropolitan line going to Baker Street. And as this one pulls in, there goes the Jubilee line service to Stratford. At the same time, well, a few seconds later. As you can clearly see up the track, we've got a Metropolitan line service probably going to Watford by the looks of it, or Uxbridge, I don't know. And this one's off to Baker Street. Continue, off it goes. And at the same time, off goes the Jubilee line service to Stanmore. We've got another one coming in from Stratford at the same time. Should open these doors. Last two trains for tonight, guys. Well, it's been a good evening filming here during lockdown with Harry. And this one leaves. On the other side there's one coming in, I don't know where this one's going to, and there's another Metropolitan line on platform 1. Oh, and another one going to Aldgate. Sorry, last 3 trains for tonight, guys.
Listen out for that, otherwise don't forget to comment on the description, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you soon. Good night.
Okay, wrapping up now, guys. Please don't forget to turn the post notifications, comment, share, subscribe, and never miss a video. As Harry just said briefly, Next up will be Wembley Central, so we'll continue shortly. Alright, good night.